Happening tomorrow, the founder of one of the country's largest churches, Robert Morris, is set to face a judge. The former head of Gateway Church, based in Southlake, is charged with sexually abusing a child back in the 1980s. Our Andrea Lucia joining us live from Pawhuska, Oklahoma, where both the victim and Morris are expected in the morning. Good evening, Andrea.
Good evening. Now, to be clear, Cindy Clemishire, who was 12 when she says this abuse began, is not required to be here at the Osage County Courthouse tomorrow, but she says she will be, along with her family and her friends. And it will be the first time in well over a decade that she and Robert Morris will be in the same room together.
It was very surreal after all these years and really not believing it would ever happen.
Cindy Clemishire says the time has come to hold Robert Morris accountable. In March, an Oklahoma grand jury indicted Morris on 5 counts of lewd or indecent acts with a child for alleged incidents in Hominy, Oklahoma between 1982 and 1985. That's where Cindy and her family lived at the time and where they often hosted Morris, who was a traveling preacher.
Do we pray long enough for something?
Morris hasn't spoken publicly since resigning from Gateway Church last year following Cindy's accusations. In a statement at the time, though, he admitted to, quote, inappropriate sexual behavior with a young lady.
Has there been a case like this that I've seen ever in my career? No, there has not.
Oklahoma attorney Irvin Bach says Morris's criminal case may hinge not on whether he abused Cindy, but on whether he can be prosecuted. In Oklahoma, he says charges of child sex assault can only be filed within 12 years of a victim turning 18. That is, unless a defendant fled the state. Oklahoma's attorney general has argued because Morris never lived in Oklahoma, the exception applies. But Bach isn't convinced.
You've got to show that person deliberately left and tried to avoid the prosecution. But I'm not sure this case that's going to work.
And tomorrow's hearing is expected to be a short one. Morris has already entered a plea of not guilty, but we could see his attorneys make a request to have the case thrown out based on that statute of limitations issue. Whatever does happen, we will be here watching and report back.
And Andrea, really quick before you go, it's interesting to note that the Attorney General in Oklahoma who's arguing Morris can be prosecuted also happens to be the former attorney for Cindy Clemishire. So with that said, does that factor into this case at all?
Yeah, I mean, that'll be interesting to see. You're right. Gentner Drummond is the current Oklahoma Attorney General, and he was Cindy Clemishire's attorney back in 2007 when she first reached out to Robert Morris seeking restitution. So he's obviously very familiar with this case. It may be one reason he feels strongly about pursuing it. It's too early to know if it'll somehow be a factor in this case or brought up at all, but we do know that it will be a deputy attorney general, not Drummond himself, prosecuting this case.
Andrea, we thank you.